So the first thing you'll need to do is put your batteries inside your battery case. So clear off all these other things. And let's do this first. In order to do any electricity experiment, you're going to need power. Flat side goes to the spring. Flat side, remember, is the negative. Stick them in and you're ready to go. Now if you do touch these, you will blow up the batteries. Periodically, from time to time during your experiments, just put your hand on top of the batteries, make sure they're not warm. If they are warm or too hot to touch, immediately disconnect whatever you got going. It means you're about to melt these. Now in the end, you notice there's two colors. Red is positive, black is negative. The wire that's sticking out, there's a small piece of insulation that's been removed. This red part is insulation. It insulates you from the electricity. This tip here where the wire is exposed, that's where you want to connect. So the first thing you do is going to grab an alligator clip, and you'll notice if you pull back the red plastic, it looks like a metal clothespin. And it's the metal clothespin part that you want to touch to the end. If you grab here, there's no electricity that transfers from the plastic to the metal. It's got to be a metal-to-metal junction. Okay? Alright, and you're going to do that on both sides. You're going to connect the metal jaw part of the alligator clip onto the exposed metal wire. Now if yours isn't exposed and it's been broken off, you can just take simply a pair of scissors and nick the insulation at 90 degrees and pull off, and you'll have a fresh piece there. Okay, so I've hooked up both sides, and the first thing we're going to hook up is a light bulb. Now I've got a sheet of paper here so you can see the LEDs a little bit clearer. And here on this green sheet of paper, I have an LED. Now LEDs are picky about plus and minus. That simply means when you hook them up, if they don't light up, you're going to go ahead and switch the wires around, change the plus and minus. Okay, and as you see, I found the right orientation the first time. Okay, so there are two leads. Spread them apart so your alligator clips don't touch each other and blow up your batteries. Spread the legs of the LED apart and hook them up. If you find that your LED does this, nothing, it means that your wires are not hooked up correctly. LED is short for light emitting diode, and diode means electricity can only flow one way. It's like a gate. Okay? And you can see the reflection on the paper. Okay. Alright, let's hook up another light. I've got a green LED here. I'm going to hook it up backwards the first time. Nothing happens. Not very exciting. Flip it around, change the plus and minus, change the polarity. Voila! I have a green light showing on my LED. Okay, now suppose I want to make the red and the green one go on at the same time. There's only one way that this will happen with this battery pack and this set of lights. So I've got the red one. You can do it in series or you can do it in parallel. In series means that the electricity flows from the red up through this LED and then through the second LED. You simply touch the wires together and you see that they don't go on. This is a series connection. That means that it first goes to one and then the other. It doesn't have a choice. It can't skip one of the lights. However, if you do it in parallel, which means you put both legs in the red clip and you put both legs in the black, you'll see that they go on. They both go on. I've got a red and a green light down there. So parallel connections give you give each light 3 volts, which is what they need in order to go on. I believe they're 2.7 volt LEDs, so they will shine brighter this way too. Okay. Now there are 2 other LEDs that are definitely worth taking a look at. Now notice the first one we did just now was clear. This is a completely clear LED. You can see through it. The one that's not clear but has 2 legs, this one is called a bipolar LED. And the neat thing about this is it's green one way, and if you switch it, it's white. It's red the other direction. There are actually 2 LEDs inside. This is how they have the same light be 2 different colors. That's called a bipolar LED. And there's a third LED that's very, very cool. It's one of my favorites. It's called a tri-state. And it's got 3 wires coming out the bottom. Again, separate them. Yours probably looks something like this. Separate them because they're just too close together to work with. Negative always goes into the center lead, And when you connect onto one side, it's kind of a yellowish orangish color, and when you connect your positive onto the other, it's green. So this is a tri-state LED that shines two different colors as well.